Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm wearing my new MyKuali shirt. They sent me a shirt. I'm stoked. They sent me two. One's an extra large and this is a 2X. And this one's kind of small, but it fits. So that's why I'm wearing it. But they've got something new over there, over at MyKuali. This is, what is it? MyKuali white fish broth rice vermicelli. And they're saying that this, it's like fish broth noodle is a really popular hawker stall thing over in Penang. I didn't have it when I was over there. You guys need to bring me back. Yeah. I would like that immensely. You have no idea. I want out and I want to come back. Please let me come back. Please. Please bring me back. I miss Asia so much. I miss Penang. Oh yeah. I love the smells, the sights, just everything about over there, where life is beautiful all the time. And the food is amazing. But here we are. So we got a paste sachet, a lot of paste. Kind of the hallmark of the MyKuali stuff. They always have these big old paste sachets. And then we have non-dairy creamer. Now this one, if you've been following me for a while, you've definitely heard of this brand. Their stuff's usually spicy, and they told me, and when they sent me this stuff, that this one is not a spicy one. So that's kind of interesting. It's kind of a departure because all their other stuff is somewhat spicy. Usually it's reasonably spicy. And then you put 400 mils of water in. For 4 minutes. There it goes, 4 minutes. I'm gonna give it a little. Oh wow. Wow, I smell fish. We'll see how that goes. I'm very curious about this stuff. Now I'll just put the plastic lid back on it. So yeah, what's new with y'all? It's whoa. Uh-oh, no. Oh cool, the Titans. There we go. That's better. Yeah. Okay. We are better now. I was like, no, this thing's brand new and it's like already. But it's fine. It's just fine. So, it's Saturday. I'm doing reviews on a Saturday. My wife had to take a week of time off from work last month, and she's bringing it back one Saturday at a time. So it sucks, but it'll be done soon. So we'll be able to have our 2 days together once a week. Well, I mean, you know what I mean. 2 full uninterrupted days of us. We like that. Yeah. It's crazy. 10 years ago, was it? let's see, this is the 4th. 10 years ago, I had just gotten on an airplane and come back up north from seeing her for the very first time. We talked on the phone for the first time December 22nd. And then for Christmas, she asked me if I wanted to come down and spend New Year's Eve with her. So I'm like, yeah. So came down to California on Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, and didn't really, we hung out, on New Year's Eve. We didn't go to like some big New Year's Eve party or anything. Just seeing each other was our party. And I think the next day we went to Half Moon Bay. Her folks lived down in Livermore, and she was there at the time, and we went over to Half Moon Bay. We went to we spent a day in San Francisco. We went to the Museum of Modern Art there. We spent a few days. It was nice. It was really nice. Good first meeting, spending a few days together, and then I think in February was the next time we saw each other, and that was like hell. A week apart or a month apart, and just being back on the phone again. It was like, ugh. And then, yeah. No, she came up later that month, in January. Then I went back down in February and we went to Yosemite. And then she came up for my birthday in March. And then I flew down at the end of March. And then we drove up here and we moved into an apartment together. Very short period of time going from, oh, hey, how's it going? I don't know you, to we're living together. And then, April, May, June, July 6th, we were married. And we have been since. So this July, it'll be our 10-year wedding anniversary. It was meant to be. So, happy times, but before we had kids, we were able to go on a trip to Malaysia. We were invited by MyKuali and spend time with them over there. And she got to go. And, it's every trip I've done since she hasn't been able to go, which kills me. It's like, I really want her to see the other places. Like, she'd love Thailand and she'd love Taiwan, I think. Probably all except for the heat. The heat is definitely formidable. I'll give you that. So let's see. This is done. I'm going to give a couple nice cross cuts. Here, let me show you what I mean. So whenever I'm dealing with rice vermicelli, I'm using a fork. I don't know if it's hard if you're using a pair of chopsticks. But I like doing that. It makes things easier. So let's give it a try. 4 minutes. Hi Miles, how you doing? Hold on. It has a very strong fish scent. No. Look at that. Very milky. I love that. I absolutely love that. It's almost like a chowder. I see why people like it. Yeah. Wow, let's play with this. This looks like fun. That's what I feel like when I'm garnishing noodles. I feel like I'm just like playing with my food. I like it. It's fun. It's kind of like a different kind of canvas. That's what I did for a while too. I was an artiste. Which I thoroughly miss spending as much time as I used to spend on art.
Yeah.
But it's hard because now my vision is crap. Eater. Okay. So in this one, I recently got some dodo fish ball. This is a shrimp and fish ball. I really like these. I think this will complement. Some shrimp and fish ball. Mung bean sprouts. I feel like I didn't really understand the mung bean sprout until I went to Malaysia, and it made me very happy. So now I require mung bean sprouts all the time. And you know, it's not a spicy one, but you know what I think might go really well with this? Here, let me get that. Where'd it go? Yeah. A little pinch of chili flake. I was just thinking for a second maybe some sesame seed, but I really don't. In retrospect, or in forethought, I'm thinking maybe not. So I think this looks nice, and man, I'll have to look at the calories on this. I kind of want to eat this whole thing. So let's get this in a nice position. And time for Rotato to do its thing. Yeah, something new from MyKuali, and this is like really, really good. I'm fascinated, enamored, and yeah, cool. Well, thank you very much for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.